How's everyone doing today? Evan from B&B Cars. Today we're finishing up my BMW 335i N54 dual cone air intake cleaning with the S&B Precision 2 cleaning kit. And I got the box right here. Got the cleaning and oiling kit, Precision 2. And let's see what's in there right now. Alright, so here's what you get in the box. You get your air filter cleaner. You have your oil applicator here, which for some reason has a Mercedes logo on top. You have your air filter oil. I have the blue stuff. And you get this nice step-by-step instruction guide. Alright, so step 1 with the Precision 2 cleaning and oiling kit. Remove your filter from your vehicle. So, looks like it's an 8mm socket for the hose clamp. And I think we just got to take one off of here, one off of here. We should be able to pull them off. So I'm going to start with this one here. It's easy to get to. There's one. This thing just like digs into it. There's two. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, so here's the two air filters. They're pretty dirty. So we're gonna clean them up and then oil them. Step 2, remove debris by shaking lightly. That's a lot of stuff.
Alright guys, so this is everything we just got out of Evan's intakes. Pretty gross. All this dirt, so I gotta clean them.
Step 3, apply cleaning solution. Be sure to do this thoroughly and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Step 4, rinse the filter free of debris and oil. I rinsed my filter from the inside out by placing the hose inside the filter and running water through the outside. This ensures that dirt does not get forced into the clean side of the filter. I decided to do steps 3 and 4 twice because my filters were extra filthy. Step 5, gently shake filter to remove excess water. Step 6, place filter in a warm, dry environment to evaporate water. Step 7, determine the amount of oil to apply. The correct amount for the N54 is 37 grams for the main filter element and 7 grams for the inverted filter element. Step 8, fill applicator bottle with the correct amount of oil. Step 9, apply oil to side filter that retains dirt. Step 10, allow oil to soak in for 20 to 30 minutes and then apply remaining oil to any unoiled areas. Alright, so here's the filter so far. Here's the blue one that I just put oil on. Here's the unoiled one. See, there is quite a big difference. Alright, so I'm gonna let this one sit for about 20 minutes. Let it soak in around, and then I'll use the rest of this oil to get any dry spots. And then we'll do the inside, and then we'll do the same thing for the other one. Step 11. If your filter has an inverted part, repeat steps 7 through 10. Step 12. Reinstall air filter. Alright, so we just got the filters all oiled up. Time to reinstall them into the car. I got my 8mm socket for the hose clamp. I'll just put it right in.
Alright guys, so we're about to get the first start with the new clean intakes on Evan's car. So Evan, let her eat.
Road might be dry enough to pull. Oh, what's up, guys? Evan here from B&B Cars. Make sure to click that like button until it turns blue if you like the video. Subscribe for more content, and I'll stay tuned for the next episode of B&B Cars. We'll be right back.